dito!
I'm alright,
Halika nga dito. Hindi okay lang kasi colorblind naman ako eh. Colorblind nga ako.
Ako yan, gago.
Gagos, hindi mo wala nakita ang flag mo. Gago.
Tampon na.
Tamo ko. Tangina.
Hindi kasi, ayoko talaga.
Ayaw niya talaga.
Pero okay lang. Kung gusto mo naman, hindi
Oo,
support.
sabi ko sa'yo gusto ko.
Siyempre, kung ano yung gusto mo, gusto ko din.
Siyempre kung ano gusto
Tatampo
mo.
lang ako, pero magpapasuyo lang ako sa'yo.
Gagawin pa kita sinuyo.
May rason ako para magtampo. Yeah.
Gago.
As long as you spoil her, it's fine.
Actually, that's true. He spoils me a lot. Support na yan. Mag-support ka na lang kasi yaman nga tayo. Pag nag-Victoria's Secret model ako. Oo nga kasi. Totoo naman eh. Yaman nga tayo. Ayaw mo. Half tayo. 50-50, diba? Sa relationship, 50-50. So, bigay ko sa'yo 50-50.
50-50 tayo?
Oo nga. 50-50.
Ayoko.
Sige
Maghanap
na.
na lang ako ng pwede nating pag 50-50.
Eh di maghanap ka na lang ng ka-50-50 mo. Tangina naman.
Tangina.
Mahirap kasi.
Kasi yun sa kalagayan ni Guy.
Bakit naman yung magiging mahirap sa'yo?
Di naman mahirap
Hindi
yun.
naman yung magiging mahirap. Ako naman yung nag-hard work eh. Hintayin mo na lang ako sa bahay. Paglutuan mo na lang ako. Kaya yung housewife ko. Ikaw na lang yung housewife ko.
Gago.
Ikaw na lang kasi yung housewife ko.
So to recap, the lead antiperspirant protects you from sweating odor like a body.
Wala, housewife ko siya.
White mark
Ikaw.
Housewife ko
Lead
siya.
antiperspirant spray. Enjoy.
Hindi, okay lang.
Pilitan pa mo tayo na.
Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang talaga. Okay lang ako.
Okay lang.
Okay lang talaga ako. Like, hindi naman ako. Wala namang hard feelings. Wala namang hard feelings. Okay lang. Ganyan talaga yung mga tao minsan. Gago.
Did you know you can find your favorite artist concerts on Spotify?
Gago pag mag 1,000 to off na tayo. Okay na to.
List of upcoming personalized live
Gagawin na lahat.
just for you.
Alexa,
Diba?
play.
Love, tignan mo, love.
Ano?
Hindi, I can't read that one.
So, ang sabi niya, modeling, we're not born just yesterday. The abuser promoter is lurking out there.
I know. Hindi, joke lang. Ayoko naman talaga mag-model eh. Joke lang yun. Huwag nyo kasang i-big deal. Tignan nyo naman to. Yak to pag nag-model.
Kasi,
Palala na pala.
modeling, we're not born just yesterday. The abuser promoter is lurking out there.
Totoo naman yan eh. Hindi nga ako makalabas ng bahay eh, kasi tinatago yung susi ko eh. So, paano naman ako makalabas? Kidnap ako, guys.
Kidnap ko siya. Kidnap ko siya.
Ano?
Kakain pa lang kami.
We're gonna eat. We're actually...
That's why it's hard to let you walk in the danger zone.
That's so true. Joke lang. Ito naman. I don't wanna be a model.
No, I feel like it's a different perspective for guys kasi especially when you're serious in a relationship and you're trying to wife someone, you see every qualities of man because you're a man yourself, you know? You gotta make sure she's protected. Your duty is to provide and protect.
Who hurt you? Like,
Nobody.
bakit masakit masyado?
I don't... Tangin ang mga tanong. Gandang...
Masakit, guys. Thank you. May pinaghugutan siya. Someone hurt you before. Like, nasa
Nah.
Bakit ba ganun ka?
It's my first love.
Ay, ganun.
Yeah, I think it's like real genuine type shit.
Oh, wow. Who hurt you? Like, tropa mo ba?
Yeah. Siya lang tropa ko eh.
Paano ko?
Paano kung yung pangarap niya?
Paano naman pala kung pangarap ko yun?
Eh di syempre susuportahan kita. Sinusuportahan niya ako sa pangarap ko eh. Eh di susuportahan ko din siya sa pangarap niya.
Di,
So, ano ang pangarap mo kasi? Maging side.
Ay, God. Assuming ka. No, the thing about us is like, even we talk like this, we actually have a very good bond together. It's like, yun alam mo yun. Ganito, close na close tayo. It's like, a tight grip tayo eh.
Kasi we like talk mature.
We do. Even though we're like this, like, we talk really, really mature to each other. We understand each other. We have a very good communication to each other.
It's crazy how we have that like sit down talking.
I do.
Because something like that.
Thank you. We always have a lot of quality time together, you know? Ilang years na tayo.
Infinity and beyond nga. Can you say it?
Infinity and beyond.
Yeah,
And I, thank you. Ilang years.
If you do a pageant,
Oh,
you gotta throw the west side.
gagawang pangit niyan. No, actually, between me and Felix, I don't think the years that, alam mo yun, the longer, alam mo yun, how,
The longer you are together,
the longer you are together defines who you are as a partner to each other, right?
yeah.
It's about the
You know
connection. Why?
Because the longer you are together, the more experience you have together, you adapt to what's happening.
It's how you build a connection to each other, you know?
Kasi for example, there are like phases na may mga goals tayo, and then every time we reach a goal, we move on to the next goal, and then yung bond namin, it gets stronger and stronger.
It's how you guys deal with the different stuff that's in
Yeah.
front of you.
And obviously, it's not easy. There's a lot of like challenges that
That's so true. We actually go to a lot of stuff, but you know what? We got this. Tagal naman ito. Bakit to kasi shadow ban ako?
yeah.
Sino to? Ito ba si Jong?
Alexa, sino to?
Alexa, who sing this song?
This is Alison Shore.
Alison Shore.
He sound like Jong. Maybe drop playlist.
Because playlist.
No, on
Oh no, 10% na lang siya.
10% na lang ako guys. So you guys better hurry up your question. It's gonna die soon.
Yo,
Clear.
flood this with questions right now.
Flood
We're
it
gonna
with
answer it
questions.
quick. Magtanong kayo. Relationship advice, life advice, or kung may gusto man kayo malaman, ask it.
Ask it now. We're 10% guys. 10% na lang yung battery na.
Mine na.
Magpa-mine na po kayo.
Pure vanilla extract, $10.
O gago, wag.
Speaking Ligay non, right?
I'm Ilongga.
Where you from, guys? Philippines.
We're from Philippines, North Cotabato.
Isabela.
Boal, Tulunan, North Cotabato.
Age, we're
Old enough to drink in the US.
Paano mo po na-handle attitude ni ate girl?
How do you handle the attitude?
I don't.
Good question.
I don't handle it. I just accept it, you know?
Yes, I can understand Bisaya, but I cannot really speak it fluent. What you mean? I got a fucking attitude?
No, she doesn't have an attitude, you know? She's perfect.
Guys, scared lang yan siya kasi wala siyang ulam mamaya. Sige, may sabihin man to na mali, wala siyang ulam mamaya. Ayusin mo!
Hindi, ganito lang yan.
Ayusin mo, wala kang ulamin mamaya, gago.
Wala talaga siyang attitude.
Totoo.
Minsan, gutom lang siya. Pero syempre, gagawa tayo ng pagkain. Kasi nagugutom din ako. Oh shit.
Ang pangit mo naman, visit ka. Bakit ka nun? So, pag gutom ako, may attitude ako.
Wala.
Ay,
Wala
gago.
kang attitude. Wala kang attitude.
Ewan ko sa'yo, wala kang kakainin mamaya, gago. Tangina, wala tong kakainin. Ayusin mo.
Kamusta ka daw?
We're good.
Wow,
Thank you.
couple. Oh, I've seen the video in Akit. Congrats and wait, it's pure Tagalog.
Thank you.
Yeah, I wanted it to be pure Tagalog. Kasi inaakit yung title nun eh. I feel like the envy is way good.
Oh yeah, it is. Going 160.
There's a music video on that. Kiss her, Insta reply please. She don't go through Insta because a lot of people are DMing her.
I do.
What's up bro? Kailan ka uwi Pinas para meet mo baby 4? Oh, that's my brother.
Yes, Felix too.
Yeah.
Hi po.
Kuya B-boy.
Kuya B-boy, this is Bo-boy.
yeah.
DM us.
Visit us in South Africa.
We will. If we visit South Africa,